Hey guys, let's see how to turn off YouTube notification on Android. Just open your YouTube app and then you can come here to the U button, and here on the top you see the gear icon. And from here you just need to look for notifications. There we go. And here you can disable subscription and recommended videos or whatever you want to turn off. So you can basically disable all notifications. That's one way to go directly here with the YouTube app. Or you can also do this for the phone itself. So you come here to the phone settings. And from here, you're gonna look for the apps. Just go down, look for apps. There we go. Then you're gonna see the list of apps available. You can just look for YouTube and disable notification from there. So you can even scroll down until you find YouTube, or you can just search here on the top. Just insert here you're gonna see YouTube, and here you can just scroll down until you find notifications. You see the notification, it's allowed right now, and you can just select what you want to disable, and then you can toggle here and disable one by one, or you can just come here to the top and toggle to disable notification. And you see now notifications from this app are blocked. That way you not receive notification anymore from YouTube, okay? So there we go. That's the way you can turn off YouTube notification on Android. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.